In this session, we will explore how to use the Remove List Items function. This function is essential for managing stored search results by allowing us to remove specific items from the saved list. These items can include addresses, values, or other stored data, making it a powerful tool for refining search results and optimizing memory modifications. Whether you need to clean up unwanted values, remove unnecessary addresses, or refine your saved list for better accuracy, the Remove List Items function provides an efficient and flexible way to manage your data. The script begins by displaying an alert message to notify the user that the search is starting. It then searches for the numbers 100 and 200 in memory using the D-word data type. Once the search is complete, it retrieves up to 1,000 results and stores them in a table called Results. An empty table named To Add is created to store selected items for further processing. This part of the code loops through the results table. For each item in results, the script inserts the item into the To Add table using table insert. The loop ensures that all the search results are added to the To Add table for future use. The script then adds the items stored in the To Add table to the saved list using Add List Items function. After adding the items, an alert message is displayed saying Added search results to the list. Next, the script retrieves all the items currently in the saved list with getListItems function and stores them in the variable list. This section of the script initializes an empty table called To Remove. It then iterates through the list of items. For each item, it checks if the value is 200. When an item meets this condition, its address is added to the To Remove table by inserting a new table containing the address field. This process ensures that every item with a value of 200 is selected for removal. After identifying the items to remove, the script clears any previous search results using the Clear Results function. Next, it removes the items stored in the To Remove table from the saved list using the Remove List Items. An alert is displayed, confirming that the specified items have been successfully removed. The script retrieves the updated list using the getListItems function. It checks if the number of items in the list is greater than 5. If there are more than 5 items, it initializes an empty table called toRemove and starts a loop from the 6th item to the end of the list. For each item, its address is added to the toRemove table, marking those items for removal. After gathering the items to be removed, the script proceeds by using the removeListItems function to remove the selected items from the saved list. It then shows an alert, confirming that the number of items in the list has been reduced to 5. If there are already 5 or fewer items in the list, the script skips removal and instead displays an alert stating, "Value 100 list already has 5 or fewer, no need to remove extras," letting the user know that no additional items need to be removed. In summary, the removeListItems function allows you to remove items from the saved list. These items can be a list of addresses, values, or other types of stored data, as long as they are represented in a valid table. In all cases, the item's parameter should be a table, ensuring that only the intended items are removed from the saved list. This flexibility makes removeListItems a versatile and essential tool for managing and refining your saved search results and memory modifications.